থাকোঁতে চাফা তফা কৰিব এই গামবুটটো লৈ না ওট ওট না বুঝিল আকৌ এইফালে আহিছে ঘূৰালে ভাল হৈ যায় ঘূৰিলে মানুহবিলাক কোনে হ'ব মানুহখিনি আঁতৰ চাইড 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 ৰাস্তা নাথাকিবে ভাগ যা ভাগ যা ভাগ যা ভাগ যা
Last 1 month, one tiger in the fringe village of the Kaziranga National Park he came out from the park and the tiger killed about 18 cattle in Dogaon and Durgapur area. So last 1 week, the demand of the public, we installed one cage here, and last night the tiger entered the cage.
Biggest challenge we have faced in last couple of years, probably during the rescue operation, is managing crowd. Or the animals, there is chances of injuring that animal by the crowd. It's a chaos situation.
When you go for rescue, there will be crowd. If you have to control the crowd, you have to take help with the help of the civilian police and the forest department, and you have to convene the village headman nearby rescue site. Then only you can control the crowd. Yeah, there was a huge of people gathering nearby the tiger trap area, and the tigress was having a lot of excitation and a lot of stretch.
নাম বিটু নাম শুনো মোবাইল দে মোবাইল দে
So when we rescue an animal in the forest, if it can go back immediately after a short treatment or a brief period of treatments, then we just release the animals as early as possible.
We brought the tigress out here and keep for some time for stabilization, and after putting 10 days, we are looking for the releasing back to the wild.
if the animal needs a slightly longer time of our care or treatments, then we take the animal to the center.
Yeah, we have here like gibbon, elephant, leopard, and deer, cebades. Every animal is taking the different food.
Wildlife rescue is a very new subject in India. Earlier, it was not that organized. So, because of such center, because of the CWRC, it's got organized way of treating animals, organized way of rescuing animals.
हम तो गिबन देख रहे हैं इस टाइम। गिबन का मतलब गिबन को हम सुबह जाके वो जंगल का जो फल होता है ये फ्रूट्स लोग लेके मतलब उन लोग को दे देता है। ये अभी तो जंगल में जब जाएगा तो मार्केट वाला फ्रूट्स तो नहीं मिलेगा ना, जो ह्यूमन खाने वाला फ्रूट्स। इसीलिए उन लोग को हैबिट करा रहा है, जो जंगल में जो फ्रूट्स मिलता है उन लोग को खाने का।
Keepers, there are certain criteria. The first and foremost, most important criteria is he or she has to be a feeling towards animals. But you will not that qualification in a piece of paper where it is written that I love animals. So you have to read them.
और जो एनिमल जो एक जानवर है ना, वो तो पहले आएगा तो आदमी को पहचानता नहीं। अब इसका साथ धीरे धीरे प्यार करेगा तो अच्छे तरह से वो अभी हमारा साथ आ जाएगा।
वो हमारा काम होता है क्या, यहाँ के जितना सोता एलिफेंट आता है ना, एलिफेंट हो जो एनिमल हो, हम लोग देखता है, वो देखभाल करता है, वो लोग को खाना पीना देता है, दूध पिलाता है, हाँ, सब कुछ ऐसे ठीक ठाक करता है हम लोग।
I got phone call from one doctor. He has already informed the authority, and authority has informed to us. One bull has got rescued by the public.
अभी रेस्क्यू अभी तो घर में है, उसको लाने के लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन दूसरा अगर जैसा लीपर्ड है उसमें थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, हाथी का बच्चा है उसमें तो
I have examined the owl. She was looking for the prey on that time. Unfortunately, she got burned. Little chance of surviving. It will take time because she has already lost a tertiary feeder. Kaziranga National Park is 430 square kilometer, and including the buffer area, that is near about the 900 square kilometer.
Kaziranga is located between the river Brahmaputra and the Karbi Hills. The northern side is river Brahmaputra and southern boundary is Karbi Hills. Kaziranga is a flood prone area. It is located in flood plains. So flood is a natural phenomenon.
যেতিয়া বানপানী হয় জনোৱাৰ অকণমান অসুবিধা হয় আৰু ঘাঁহ পানী খোৱাত ওখ ঠাই তেনেকুৱা হাইলেণ্ড বনোৱা আছে ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় উদ্যানৰ ভিতৰতে এইবিলাকত উঠি থাকে গৈ আৰু কিছু পাহাৰ ফালে যায় কাৰ্বি আংলং আছে ওচৰতে কাৰ্বি পাহাৰ তালৈ যায় পানী শুকোৱাৰ পিছত ঘূৰি আহে
Almost 900 square kilometer is submerged during the monsoon season. Three years back we got a very huge flood. Lot of animal has got displaced. During the flood, we do rescue the animals, those who got displaced. Any problem with the animals, we do treat the animals and release back to wild. Early in the morning, I got phone call one of the forest range officer. He has given information that one of the baby rhino is stalking on the bushes without mother last 24 hours. Maybe having some health problem. That's why they rescued the baby. We have examined the baby and we found the baby is having severe dehydration. Now baby will be some time for the stabilization period. If there is something wrong with the baby, we have to support them. We have to give treatment to them. And 24 hours somebody has to be with the baby because without mother, the caretaker should be continuously with baby.
हम CWSRC में अभी पहले हम घास काट रहा है, इसके बाद हम अभी राइनो देखता है और राइनो का घास भी काटता है, वो एलिफेंट का घास भी काटता है, सब काम करता है हम। हम छोटा से आया है, बड़ा करेगा, बड़ा करने से बाद हम जंगल में चढ़ेगा।
We have hand raised many of them in this facility, and after 4 or 5 years of hand raising, we have released them to the wild. And I am happy to say and that some of our rescued rhinos has given birth in the wild again.
So we got the information from DFO of that Udalguri division that one calf has been abandoned by their natal herd. It's about 250 kilometers away from our center. already the calf has been rescued by the department people. So I checked the health status of the calf. We observed him for a while. Then we decided to reunite the calf again with the natal herd.
হাঁটিছ হাঁটি আছে নেকি ঐ ये वाला हाथी सर
हाँ दिख गया
ये हाथी है ये हाथी है ना ये
When we got some new calf, our first aim is to reunite the calf with the mother. So that is our prime motto. In his case, we tried for reunion. We saw the herd nearby, but the herd didn't accept the calf. Probably her mother was not there. So our reunion attempt was failed. Then we decided to take it to our center, hand raising. So we took it under sedation. We put anesthesia to minimize the travel stress of the animal.
Wildlife rescue is a team job. So here there is a responsibility for wildlife rehavers, wildlife biologists, wildlife veterinarians and animal keepers. So nobody can work in isolation. Our wildlife rescue team has all 4 criteria. So unless and until they work very closely, cooperatively, we cannot do any wildlife rescue operation. Our statistics shows where we are releasing almost 59% of our rescued animals. That means our team is doing well. Sometimes an animal come out of the park boundary and they get stranded when they enter somebody's backyard or some villages. So then animals, they do not know how to go back because park boundary are defined by human beings. Park boundary is not defined by the animals. So sometimes they do come naturally out of their park boundaries, but they get stranded, they get injured by people, and we take care of such animals.
So elephant generally juvenile animal and baby elephant, they do get stuck in the tea garden trains. So that time we have to be very careful.
ওচৰতে পোৱালি পাইছেতো কি
নহয় নহয় দুখ পোৱা নাই দুখ পোৱা নাই
দুখ পোৱা নাই হা উঠি গ'ল হ'ব দে মানুহ গুচি যাওক মানুহ পলালে মানুহ পলাও মানুহ গুচি যাওক উঠি গ'ল হ'ব দে মানুহ গুচি যাওক মানুহ পলালে পালে পোৱালি হা
স্যার দুঃখ নাই কিন্তু পঞ্চায়েত
ৰেস্কিউত আমি বহুত ৰিস্কত আমি কাম কৰিবলগীয়া হয় বহুত ধ্যান দিবলগীয়া হয়
We have a lot of challenges, especially nowadays. This is the human beings.
हम लोग को कॉल किया गांव आदमी लोग तो हम लोग गया है तो एक लीपट निकला है लीपट से आदमी मारने के लिए सोचा था तो लीपट को पूरा जंगल खड़ा के लिया था लाठी उठी लेके तो हम लोग बोला था मत मारो तो हम लोग लेके जाएगा वो लोग नहीं माना था तो जाके लोग के मारने के टाइम में मैं जाके पकड़ लिया था पकड़ के जब लिया था मेरे हाथ में कटा है टांग में भी कटा है तब पकड़ के जो डॉक्टर भवल था तो कटा में जैलोजिन दे के बेहोश कर किया तो रेस्क्यू करके लेके आया
Many people who love wildlife by their heart and they walk by their command from the heart. But I would say wildlife rescue is a subject. You have to rescue that animal from the command from your heart, but you have to walk from the command from your brain. Emotions hardly works, so science basically works.